My name is Davi Guerra. This project is operating under the mentorship of product owner Dr. Masood Sajadi. In this video, I will be covering introductions to 3 of the navigation features installed onto the project wiki. Our first feature, Navigation Tools, aims to keep new developers on track as they iterate through the vital development resource pages on the wiki. This feature generates a series of links on each page which aid the developer in moving backwards to the wiki's hierarchical structure. The end goal of this feature is to keep the new developers on a linear path through the wiki's orientation and code contribution articles. A set of ordered links are generated dynamically based on the page's location in the wiki's article hierarchy. Changing a page's position in the hierarchy does not require an update to this feature, as the links will adjust automatically. Our next feature, Image Rescaling and Modal Popup, aims to keep the burden of appropriate image sizing off of the editor's hands. New project wiki editors have historically paid little attention to the image size, which leads to massive images distorting and disrupting the article's reading experience. This feature automatically reduces the maximum width or height of the image based on its own proportions. It then goes on to add an on-click functionality to the altered image, which generates a modal pop-up for the reader to view the image in its original size. This feature is on every article page and requires no input from editors. Our last feature in this video, Progress Tracker, aims to target critical pages on the wiki and provide the product owner with a method of tracking individual users' progress through these pages. Editors can add checkpoint boxes to any page on the wiki using the checkpoint custom HTML tag visible at the bottom of the screen. Once done, a clickable checkbox image will be inserted into the page. Once the developer has iterated through the page's contents and has checked the final graphic, a prompt is raised instructing the student to send an email notification to their product owner. You may find instructions on utilizing all 3 of these features on the wiki's contribution page. This has been Davi Guerra, and I wish you good luck on this project.